I've been using the OKX Trading mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. One of the main reasons I chose the OKX app is its comprehensive suite of features designed to cater to both novice and experienced cryptocurrency traders. The app boasts a beautifully designed, user-friendly interface that simplifies navigation and trading activities. Additionally, it supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, offering over 300 spot currencies and 460 trading pairs, which provides ample opportunities for portfolio diversification. On top of that, the app integrates advanced trading tools, including real-time market data and charting features, enabling informed decision-making. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, the OKX app is not available to users in the United States due to regulatory restrictions, limiting its accessibility for US-based traders. Plus, some users have reported mixed experiences with customer support, citing issues with the specificity of responses and resolution times. Additionally, certain cryptocurrencies on the platform may experience low liquidity, potentially impacting trade execution and pricing. Another aspect worth mentioning is security. The app emphasizes robust security measures, including mandatory two-factor authentication and multi-factor authentication, to protect user accounts. Additionally, OKX also employs a sophisticated blend of cold and hot wallet solutions, utilizing offline decentralized storage coupled with semi-offline multi-signature protocols to safeguard assets against unauthorized transactions. Overall, my experience with the OKX mobile app has been positive, especially considering its intuitive design, extensive cryptocurrency support, and advanced trading tools, making it a strong contender for those looking to trade cryptocurrencies on the go. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.